Welcome back, Stefan Wolf is here. A short video about a couple of new stones of mine. In this case, we have two Arkansas stones, a soft Arkansas and a black Arkansas, sold by Natural Whetstone company. We have generous amount of abrasive to work, 8 by 3 by 3¼ almost 1 inch. The stones are brand new, they are not warped yet. I do not have experience with them yet. They will be subject of many of my future videos because I like Arkansas stones, as you know. I think they work pretty good and the price is alright. Brochure, how to sharpen your favorite knife. You can pause the video if you like what you see. And nothing on the other side. Again, 8 by 3 by 3/4 or 1 inch. I'm very happy with this purchase, all the way from the United States. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and stay safe.